Hey Brandon, what's your average mail volume on a monthly basis?
My goal is 5,000, but I don't always hit that. Um, so 3 to 5,000 is pretty normal.
I don't practice what we teach. That's the truth. I'll send out 40 or 50,000 units and then we won't send out anything for 6 months. We're just, and it just becomes this thing of just massive amount of deal going out in and out for several months. And then I always wait. I always like, wow, I probably should have sent this out 30 days earlier, but
Yeah.
deals trickle in. But then when I look at the money at the end, which is really all I care about is the process and the money, but more the money. I'm like, wow, we did great on all of this. So it's like, I know everybody in the beginning wants to make this a machine and everybody's a little bit nervous, but there's no way I can convey what really happens. What really happens is it's kind of a mess.
Yeah. Usually I feel like I'm always behind.
Mm-hmm.
I always got to get a mailer out. That's basically how I feel all the time. Like even right now, like I just got one out, but I'm like, I know I've got to get going on my next one. And sometimes it happens and sometimes it gets pushed out a couple weeks, but basically I try to get one out as soon as I can because I know it always gets pushed out basically.